Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. This is Teacher Raya. In this session, we're going to solve question 5 from Necta Form 2 Math Exam Paper 2020. So I have already completed question 1 to 4. You will find those in my playlist that says Necta Form 2 Exam 2020. So guys, if you do like and enjoy my videos, please remember to like and subscribe. I am going to complete the full paper of Form 2 2020, and if you are going to do Form 4, that will follow soon. So without delay, let's start the session. So guys, we have 5a here. We're told the sum of two numbers is 127. If the difference between the numbers is 7, find the numbers. So that means we need to form equations, guys. The first one is adding them. The second one is subtracting the two numbers. So let's say our two numbers are x and y. So it means if we add them, x plus y, we're going to get 127. If we subtract them, x take away y, and you could be y take away x, but I mean, they are just two numbers. We don't know which one is x, which one is y. So don't worry too much. Just make a decision which one you're going to subtract. So x take away y will give you 7. Now you can see we have two linear equations here, equation 1 and equation 2. And we're now going to solve them simultaneously because we have two unknowns, so we can't just solve one equation on its own. And because I can see here the y's have plus there and negative here, and they have the same coefficient, it means I can actually add these two equations and then eliminate the y. So I'm going to use the method of elimination to solve these simultaneous equations. So equation 1 plus 2, that means I'm going to have x plus x, which is going to be 2x, and then plus y plus negative y, that will give you 0. So that's going to be equal, have equal sign here, 127 plus 7, which is going to give you 134. So now to get x, I need to divide 134 by 2, which is going to give me 67. Okay, now we know from equation 1, so from 1, we know x plus y is equal to 127. You know what x is now, so 7 plus y is going to be 127. So therefore y is going to be 127 and take away 67, which is going to give you y equals to 60. So your two numbers then, x is equal to 67 and y is equal to 60. So that is part A completed, guys. And now for part B, guys, we're told to solve below equation, which is this one here, by completing the square. Leave the answer in a third form. Okay, so let's rewrite that. What I like to do is have everything that have x on one side and remove everything else and put it on the other side, which means I want to remove the 13, so I'm going to take away 13, and I need to do that on both sides. So this will give me x squared minus 10x equals to negative 13. Now, if you remember completing the square, you need to have your bracket here and x here, and remember to put your square before you do anything, and a minus. That's what I do. And now I have my equal sign. Now I have a negative here. It means I need to put a negative, and I need to half the coefficient of x, so I need to divide it by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then I need to take away this number squared. So take away this, I will write it here, 5 squared. This is always negative, guys. It doesn't matter what is here. That's equal to negative 13. So now if I rewrite that, I have x minus 5 squared minus 25 equals to negative 13. Now I'm going to remove the 25, so I'm going to add 25 on both sides. So what do I have now? I have x minus 5 squared equals to 25 take away 13, or negative 13 add 25, so that's going to give you 12. Now then I need to remove the square by square rooting both sides, and that will give me x minus 5 equals to, now when you square root you need to put plus or minus, so plus or minus square root of 12. Okay, so now I can remove the 5 by adding 5 on both sides, guys. So x is going to be equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 12. But we can simplify this. The square root of 12 is the same as square root of 3 times square root of 4. We know square root of 4 is 2, so this part, square root of 12, can be written as 5 plus or minus 2 root 3. Okay, so we should always try to simplify our thirds. So you have now your two solutions. X is going to be equal to 5 plus 2 root 3, and x is going to be equal to 5 minus 2 root 3. So these are your two solutions, guys. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, guys, and also subscribe to see more questions. Bye for now.